This is a marketing research proposal created for Santa Fe Grill Restaurant by Lauren Driffel of California Baptist University. The research objectives of this report aim to determine and identify the different factors that led to the lack of success of Santa Fe Grill within its first 18 months of business. The specific research objectives are as follows. Identify the factors that customers within the casual dining industry find of most importance and of least importance. To determine what factors customers take into consideration when deciding to dine out. To determine each current and potential customer's perspective of how Santa Fe Grill rates in each category. And lastly, to identify the level of satisfaction of each customer. For this market research report of Santa Fe Grill, an exploratory research method design was established in order to collect data from current and potential customers of Santa Fe Grill. The objective of exploratory research is to discover ideas and insights to better understand the problem. Exploratory research aims to detect and measure early problems with products, services, or marketing communication efforts. In order to collect the data, the process will took a total of 3 weeks, and a total of 199 current and potential customers of Santa Fe Grill were interviewed. 100 of the individuals interviewed were customers of Santa Fe Grill. 50 of the individuals interviewed were customers of Jose's Southwestern Cafe, and 49 of the individuals interviewed were customers of Moe's Southwest Grill. A survey in the form of a questionnaire was created to determine the different perceptions of current and potential customers of Santa Fe Grill. A questionnaire is a document that consists of questions and scales designed to gather primary data. The questionnaire was given to current and potential customers of Santa Fe Grill in hopes it will aid in the collection process for the market research report. The structured form of the questionnaire design helps the market research report meet the data requirements. A questionnaire format with structured questions includes questions that are close-ended with only predetermined sets of answers for the respondent to choose from. These type of questionnaires are typically faster since they often require less critical thinking and less effort from each respondent. This type of questionnaire makes the data collection process much easier for the market research report of Santa Fe Grill. The questionnaire that was designed for Santa Fe Grill was printed on a small 3x5 card and left at each table within the restaurant so that customers can complete them during or immediately after their dining experience. A total of 199 cards were printed in order to maintain sample size. The collection of these questionnaires was limited to the respondents' willingness to engage with the paper format questionnaire. But with the structured format of the questionnaire, more individuals were likely to complete it since it is of the easiest format. As a data collection tool, the market research project used ANOVA as an investigative tool to help determine the perception of Santa Fe Grill's customers and potential customers, and to identify their decision-making process when deciding to dine out. ANOVA helps to determine how customers feel that Santa Fe Grill achieved each factor when compared to some of the top competitors in the dining industry. ANOVA is an abbreviation for analysis of variance. It is a statistical technique that determines whether 3 or more means are statistically different from one another. Market researchers often use ANOVA to help in the process of determining the statistical difference between 3 or more means. Customer segmentation is the process of identifying potential customers and those of which have common characteristics. Since Santa Fe Grill has a target set of potential customers that have 3 main common characteristics. The 3 main common characteristics of the potential customers are as followed. They're working, middle-class families who are health conscious. As concluded by the data collected throughout the market research report, the factors that the respondents listed as the most important to least important from their customer perspective were to receive excellent customer service, receive a reward program, receive large portion sizes, receive affordable menu pricing, receive fresh ingredients, and be offered a family-friendly environment. Based on the responses, the respondents found that Santa Fe Grill satisfied their desires when it came to the restaurant's ability to offer excellent customer service, large portion sizes, and fresh ingredients. But on the other hand, based on the responses of the respondents, researchers found that Santa Fe Grill did not satisfy their desires when it came to the restaurant's ability to offer a customer reward program, affordable pricing, and a family-friendly atmosphere. According to these results, which were concluded through a one-way ANOVA, the owners of Santa Fe Grill must focus on improving in the categories which they scored the lowest, but were also listed as of high importance to the customer, which were Santa Fe Grill's lack of customer loyalty reward programs, lack of affordable menu pricing, and the lack of affordable menu pricing. The respondents stated that Santa Fe Grill restaurant does not provide a family-friendly restaurant that meets the desires of a majority of the current and potential customers. However, this factor was also listed by the respondent as the least important factor in their perspective. Therefore, the owners should not focus their time, money, and efforts to improve this category. They should instead focus their time, money, and efforts on establishing a customer loyalty reward program and ways in which they can begin incorporating affordable menu options into the restaurant. Through the owners of Santa Fe Grill's quest to determine the restaurant's lack of success in its first 18 months of business, the market research report helps identify performance issues within the restaurant. These challenges included Santa Fe Grill's lack of affordable menu pricing and their lack of customer loyalty reward programs. The market research project also identifies how the customer feels that Santa Fe Grill stands when compared to two of its top competitors, Jose's Southwestern Cafe and Moe's Southwest Grill. The market research project focused on a set of 6 factors that were categorized as followed: customer service, portion size, fresh ingredients, reward programs, pricing, and atmosphere. In order to find the customer's perspective, a questionnaire was designed to find the results of how important each factor was to the customer and how Santa Fe Grill ranked according to the current and potential customer. And the questionnaire was distributed. The results of each question throughout the questionnaire was analyzed and interpreted using a one-way ANOVA. Through the ANOVA results, the market research report concluded that there is a high level of customer satisfaction in terms of customer service, portion sizes, and fresh ingredients, and a very low level of customer satisfaction in terms of customer loyalty reward programs, atmosphere, and it had an overall average level of satisfaction in terms of overall pricing. In order to increase overall customer satisfaction, the driving force behind profitable sales in the casual dining industry, the owners of Santa Fe Grill must focus on incorporating a customer reward program that rewards their customers' loyalty to the restaurant. As stated earlier in the market research report, customers should be offered a reward program that customers